In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper umbrella for Lord Ganesha. So this can be used as a home decor for Vinayaka Chavithi. So this is a very easy way of making a paper umbrella and it is useful too. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a rectangular sheet of paper. So you can take any color you'd like, but I'm taking green. So the first step is that we have to fold the paper little by little on both the sides. Like this. So we have to fold it slowly. So after we are done complete folding, we have to fold this paper in half like this. Now we have to take a glue bottle and we have to apply some glue and we have to stick both these sides together. So I'm applying some glue. Now I'm sticking this paper on top of this one. So we have to press it so that it sticks well. So after we complete this, we have to make one more structure like this in the same way. So now we have two. So next step is that we have to glue these two sides together. So I'm sticking these two sides. Now we have to press on well and we have to stick these two sides together, so that we'll get a flower-like structure. So I'm just sticking on it and I'm applying some glue on the other side. Now we have to stick this. So we have to stick it slowly. So after we stick this, we have a structure like this. So now we have to cut out two blue circles. So you can take any color you like. I'm taking blue. So we have to apply some glue on the circle and we have to stick it on top of the umbrella. So now we have to turn the umbrella to the opposite side and we have to stick the other circle onto it as well. Like this. So next step is that we have to make a cone-like structure from silver paper. So I already made this, you guys can make it. So next step is that I'm taking a scissor and just cutting a little bit on the bottom of the paper. So this will make the paper to stick well onto the umbrella. So I'm just cutting it. So after we are done cutting, we just have to make these sides come out like this. So we just have to fold this on the bottom so that we can apply some glue on them and we can stick it. So I'm cutting it one more time so that it gets stick well. So now I'm just going to apply some glue on the parts we cut. So you have to apply some glue slowly like this. So now we just have to stick this structure on top of the blue circle like this. So we have to stick it well. So after we complete this, we just have to take a toothpick and have to roll it with blue strings. So I roll it with blue string. You can roll it with blue paper as well. So now we just have to put this blue string underneath the umbrella. So we just have to turn this part and we just have to put this part inside. We just have to squeeze it. So we have to squeeze it so that this part comes out. So if we squeeze it, then our paper umbrella will be ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper umbrella and it is useful too. So you can use this as a home decor for Vinayaka Chaturthi. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!